Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2015 Lexus ES 350. You're going to find it located on the driver's side underneath this airbox. This is the part number from Toyota for the engine air filter. You're going to notice that you got some rubber hoses connecting to the airbox. Depending on the age of the vehicle, these can be very brittle and they can break just upon removal. There is a way to sneak out the air filter. I'll show you how to do it. You have one clip here, one clip back here, and then you can slide this up and you have just barely enough space to pull out the engine air filter and then slide in the new one. You are putting a good amount of tension on these. You do have a risk of it ripping on you just by doing this. And then if you do it this way, you won't be able to really get a vacuum in here and get everything out as much as you would like. I'm going to show you how to do it if you want to remove the vacuum lines. I want to show this part right here. This is a repair that has been done to this airbox. So someone had already ripped this apart just by accident, just because of the old age. So just be very careful whenever you're trying to remove these. What I would do is you don't want to pull just from here. This is how it rips. You really want to grab it from the base down in here and pry it out. A tool like this can sometimes get in there, but this is being blocked by this little notch right here. You can get a very thin, small flathead screwdriver, and as you're prying on this, you really want to just kind of guide this out. Very slowly, and there is a nipple behind this, so you don't want to break that either. And you want to try to come back to the base of the hose as much as possible. If you pull from here, this is how you rip things. So pull from here and get it off. We'll do the same thing on this one, just like that. Now this should give you enough space to pull off the airbox, but don't forget there's one more right over here. So once again, right at the base, grab from here, and you're just going to try to guide this out just like that. Okay, that's going to be your best bet to get these off without ripping them. Now to install the filter, you have a lot more space if you want to lift this up like this. Now the filter direction is with the pleats facing you like this, not like this. Now on the back side of the filter, you're going to have some notches here and here, and those go into two slots, here and here. So as you guide the airbox down, you want to aim those in first. Now with the slots inserted on that side, put firm pressure down. Make sure it's seated. One clip. Two clips. And now we just need to reinsert the vacuum lines. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2015 Lexus ES 350. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.